Here I have XIAOMI 12S, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the My Device section, then go to the factory reset, select erase all data, then factory reset. Then you have 10 seconds to get to know with these informations here. Then tap next. Then you have 10 more seconds to get to know with these informations now. Then tap OK, and after that device will be restarted. So when you see this kind of menu appeared, what you have to do is to just select reboot, then select system, and after that your device will be restarted in about a minute or two. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.